Hello everyone, in this video we will tell you how you can score really well in the All India Bar examination by practicing mock test papers. So if you are going to attempt the AIB, the upcoming AIB, you will already know by now that there are quite few books available in stores that contain practice tests for you to solve. But there's really no point trying to find the best book and then trying to solve the practice tests one by one, because this will consume a lot of your valuable time, and there's no guarantee that what you're doing is in fact going to help you in the examination. The idea of the AIB, as we have said, is not to keep solving questions or reading relentlessly question bank, etc. What you need to know is what skills you need to clear the bar examination, how to develop and hone those skills. What we have done at Clear the Bar is that we've prepared 4 targeted practice test papers which will go a long way in boosting your confidence level and also ensuring that you easily cross the pass percentage of marks. So you must really be thinking, what is so special about Clear the Bar's AIB practice papers? What we have done is we have gone through all the past year AIB papers and have figured out few things that are unique to the All India Bar examination. You could have of course done it too, but there's no point doing it, especially when you're pressed for time and you have a full-time job to cope up with. So what exactly are we looking at here? The AIB comprises mainly statute based questions, and what you need is the relevant legislations with you so that you can read the question, spot the legislation, go to the relevant part of the legislation and find the right answer. These questions will mainly test you if you are able to find out the year in which, say, a particular legislation came into effect, the illustrations given under the sections that deal with a particular subject matter, and so on and so forth. Apart from statute based questions that tend to carry handsome marks, there will also be questions that will test your knowledge of landmark cases and some questions to see if you are familiar with the basic concepts. The key to cracking the AIB is to get all the right materials and familiarize yourself with the bare acts, especially the criminal manual, which would include the IPC, the CRPC and the Evidence Act, the Civil Procedure Code, family law, labor law, law of contracts, Negotiable Instruments Act and the Motor Vehicles Act. If you need ideas on how to streamline your preparation and how to identify materials to carry in the examination hall, do check out our other video on how to prepare for the All India Bar examination. Once you are done, attempt the 4 AIB mock tests that we have prepared using these materials. Don't forget to set the timer and evaluate which kind of questions are taking more time to answer. Work on these areas to increase your efficiency level. The AIB is not a very easy examination to handle, especially when you've not developed the kind of skills that are required to pass this examination. Imagine a situation where you end up failing the All India Bar examination only because you did not practice and did not practice in the right way. We have seen many students mess up the All India Bar examination and therefore cannot stress enough the importance of practicing mock tests before you attempt the AIB. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions, or if you want to know how to make the payment for the AIB mock tests. Visit www.clearthebar.in to download our free AIB guide, which will give you tips on how to go about the AIB. Feel free to share this guide with your friends and colleagues who would be appearing for the upcoming All India Bar examination. All the best for the exam, and thank you for listening.